Shalom, shalom, family. It's your sister Jay with another episode of Country Living in the City. Well, I've made some changes to my garden because I'm transitioning from summer to fall gardens, and I just want to show you a little tour and show you what I got going on. So I'm going to pause the camera and take you on a tour. All right, guys. Well, I still got peppers going. Those are my paprika and the banana peppers as well. They're still going strong. But here I have an okra plant coming. It came in late, and Nina had some digging issues over here. That's why it took so long to sprout. But hopefully I'll get a harvest out of that before it gets too cold, because okra is usually something that you plant in the summer, but oh well. Thanks to Nina, there she is. As you see, I've had to make some renovations. Well, I'm finished with my cantaloupe, so I'm taking down that garden, and actually I'm going to make it bigger because I want more cantaloupe next year. And the funny thing about the watermelon, I didn't expect any watermelon to try to come in this year, but the funny thing about it is, here at the end of the season, there wants to be a melon. There you go. And there's a little bitty one hanging around here somewhere. Yeah, there it is. Now, it's September. I doubt very seriously they'll get big enough to be ready for the end of the season. Well, as you see, Miss Nina is now on the outside of this fence because she has decided that she's going to try to dig out the chickens over there. If you see, well, I'll show you what she was doing over there. Let me get over there. I think they done went into the coop because it's evening here. But she started digging all around here, trying to get into the coop to the chickens. And the chickens, every time I heard them getting all wound up, it was Miss Nina putting craters in my yard here. So, to keep her from being so excited by seeing them and everything, I literally had to move her kennel, which, since I moved her kennel, I got some good rich soil over here. So, you know what? This is going to be another garden bed. So, I'm actually going to encase this in cinder blocks like that. And this is going to be another garden bed because I need some more garden beds back here to do what I want to do next year. But over here, my greens and stuff are starting to come up. I planted seed in the ground. So what I'm doing is, when they get a certain height, I'm going to thin them down. But I always do, in the fall, I plant them in directly into the ground. And over here, I'm going to do a video tomorrow on this, because I'm going to let the chickens out, and I'm going to let them out over here so they can do their work on that garden over there. I still got celery going, and I got my basil going to seed, as you see. See, they're starting to flower. And when I take the flowers off out of those pods, when those pods dry out, some of them are starting to dry over here, I'll take the seeds out of the pods and everything. So I'm little by little cleaning out this bed, trying to. And I got a few things coming up here, my mustards. I got a few mustard greens and everything. I'll be working on that and stuff. But look over here. Now, these are my two late bloomer. These are Cherokee purple tomatoes, and they're starting to produce fruit. And I got them next to my pole beans. And as you see, if you want to check out how I made that TP, but that's how they're trellising up. Actually, I had to put some more sticks in because, like I said, I never thinned down my green beans. So I let them grow. And as you see, all of this is coming up out of the ground and everything. And I still got celery over there, been picking off of it. And I picked some more strawberries today. These are my carrots, my second thing of carrots going on. My aloe vera is still pushing out. I pull off of these and use it in my hair. But, yeah, these are my carrots now. I got some straw down and everything, but that's the second round. Now, this is pitiful. I have no idea why these carrots, a lot of these seeds didn't germinate. And I don't know why, but I will find out. I'm going to plant, actually throw some more seeds in there and see what happens. Yeah, I just picked some strawberries off of there. And I got more Swiss chard going over here. It's almost time to start taking, harvesting the sweet potato. It's not quite ready yet. I haven't seen any pop to the surface, but so they're getting there. But yeah, these are all my sweet potatoes. I haven't harvested them yet. And in that bed, I planted my navy beans, and they're coming up. But Miss Nina decided to dig in this bed, so she disrupted a lot of the seeds. So I have to get some. I'm gonna plant some more. They germinate fast. So I believe I will have a harvest, a good harvest, but I have to replace a lot of the stuff that she dug up. And that's why she's over here looking like that. You've been a bad girl. But I have her stationed outside of the fence into the backyard because her kennel is now over there. I'm putting up a nice roof for her. So she's still spoiled rotten and want to make craters, and like she dug here too. Big old giant crater there. Yes, I'm talking about you. Look at her. She knows she in trouble. And unfortunately, I got to keep her on a cord when I got her outside the kennel if she's on this side, because Miss Lady likes to jump fences. Like, she can jump over that fence like O.J. Simpson. And this fence is too high for her. That's why she can't get over it. But she is on punishment for digging up my fall gardens. Say, I'm sorry, country living in the city. But yeah, now she's confined to there on the outside of the gardens. But since I've moved that, like I said, I will be making a new bed here. And I'll probably, because I want more strawberries. I'm doing good with the strawberries and stuff, and I'm doing more fruit next year. Let's see what the chickens are doing. That's all. When I do my video tomorrow on the composting, I'll be bringing this out. But this is where I put all their little composting material when they get finished pooping and everything, and I'm cleaning out when I'm cleaning out the coop, I put it all in this little thing. Oops. I put it all in there. And I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with the gardens. But let's see what the chickadees are doing. They probably looking at me like they're gonna have a fit. Watch this. There they go. Like, what do you want, lady? Stop bothering us. Stop bothering us. Okay, I'm gonna leave them alone. Because they'll actually jump back out of the coop. But they're going in for the evening. Well, that's my quick fall garden tour. Nina in trouble. I see you, girl. I'll be over there with your victuals in a minute. Oh, Go on and sit down. All right, you're all right. All right. Well, that's all I have for you guys today. I'll be doing some videos on harvesting seeds. Please excuse my mess. Harvesting seeds and composting. So until next time, take care of yourself and each other, eating foods from the Most High. Until next time, Shalom.